I would like to congratulate every one of you who made us proud, all the NAI babies who are proud Australian RNs today. The results from August has been astounding. We have been blessed by Almighty God, and I thank each and every one of you for believing in us and giving us the opportunity to be a part of this journey, the most important journey in your life.
Guys, yay! All the very best. Guys, yay! All the very best.
Future nurses, everyone.
No persuasion, no discoloration, and according to my
this is AB positive blood as well, and we can expiry date as well. Okay, it's a video.